After completing the front end for MyBabe AI, I've been able to start working on the back end. And one of the very first thing I did was creating a database schema. I used an ORM called Drizzle to make the process faster and smoother. Another thing I did was using a Clerk webhook to sync the authentication data from the users into the Postgres database we created in Supabase. And I was able to use an edge function to make this process work. Speaking of edge functions, I was able to also make the app never communicate with the database directly for security reasons. Rather, the app will communicate with the server-side edge function, which will be the one to talk to the database and feed the app the data it requires. I've been able to integrate Gemini AI through their API, which means users will be able to communicate with the humanized version of Gemini. So now what I mean by the humanized version is we've been able to integrate some set of system prompts that works with the onboarding data to make sure the AI is structured in such a way that it's more in tune with the emotional side of um, itself rather than being the general purpose AI. So one thing about my babies, we're not going to be integrating just one AI into the system. We would be using two more AI, including Gemini, making three. So we'll be using Grok AI and um, Cloud AI. So one special thing about Grok AI is it was trained with X data, which means it's going to be conscious about events around the world in real time. So integrating that into my babe would mean you'd be able to talk to your babe and also talk about events happening around the world in real time and get more context, not just the phrase or little headlines around it. You'll be able to have deep conversations about events around the world in real time. So there are more backend and front end activities I implemented, but these are the ones we'll be talking about for now. So follow this page for more updates as we make my babe AI together and also scale it to 10K MRR.